yours there. Okay, here. Guys, when you have a dog anyway, bring it upstairs. Beagles are very stubborn, stupidity. I never criticize a dog. For Lemon anyway, you need to get toilet trained. Do you even have a dog pad or something? Because I went there in Pet Express here in the Philippines. I just see a dog pad. So for Lemon anyway, you need a dog pad. Even have a toilet train. Look at those cats. They learn about toilet train. Oh. As you can see, we have a previous dog who were toilet trained. Oh. The mostly was a dog anyway. Rapasoko. Oh, Rapasoko, you need to take a toilet train of your dog. Oh, I know you need to toilet train. We bought Lemon anyway last 2025 last year. Beagles are very not toilet trained. You know that. My cat anyway, I never get toilet trained. No? That's why for Lemon, make sure you need toilet train. Oh, dogs can do toilet train like Vladimir. I mentioned Prada, Chowder, the Gohoy. We need to take toilet train. So, however, we need to take toilet train. Me, I've been saying it before. We have a dog also. You need to take toilet train because I'm just gonna say to you, Danmar, Kuya Danmar ha, Danmar Dayaw. I just searched it anyway. Danmar, if I were you, you should take care of your dog. Instead, you full of politics, full of nonsense. Oh, you're saying about you're against Duterte. Danmar, if I were you, stop posting about politics. I've been criticized at Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Escal Penumbra, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher Kel Pabelo and Barbie Pabelo. Oh, I criticize all of those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos to create trolls. Me, I was being doctrined by Marcos loyalists. I made the fake account of Wawel Romero. If I apologize to my friend Wawel, I will never do that again. As for now, Danmar, like I said before, do not create fake account. Don't make creating a too much dummy account to troll at Kuya Rodelio Daguman. For me, Danmar Dayaw, asikasuhin mo sa mga aso, like I said. I am not here to pick a fight. Like you, Escal Penumbra, you should taking care of your dog. You listen to your wife, Teacher Kel. You should taking care of your dog. Unlike everyone, created the trolls. Those Marcos loyalists, they don't want to know what's really happened. They didn't listen to their parents. Oh, you know that. Me, I'm not picking a fight in social media. As for me, I just look there about me. I always talk about positive. I never make negatives. Unlike Danmar, Dayaw, and Escal Penumbra, why can't both of you should taking care of your dog, and both of you should listen to mother of Danmar Dayaw. Oh, the wife of Escal Penumbra is Teacher Kel. Oh, listen to them. I know when I criticize Eskel Penumbra, he always disrespected me. Napakabastos ang asawa ni Teacher Kel. Like I said, he's really rude. Oh, no respect. Some of Marcos loyalists are very disrespectful. As I'm a Duterte supporter, I always learn how to respect the elders. When I see a foreigner, in Condon Stellar Place, when I throw the trash, I met an Australian guy. I met him in person. I shake hands with him. Oh, I talk about making all positive. I said I always help with my parents. I was there. I always come in the condo. I was helping with my mom and dad. I just helping with them to cleaning after the Airbnb. I said after the Airbnb, after the Airbnb. When I said before, I always help with my parents. And then I said, of course, the guest is really out. So I just help anyway for cleaning in condo. Oh, I always showing how polite I was. Oh, how I show I am kind it was. Danmar, if I were you, don't be such rude. Eskel Penumbra, Danmar Dayaw, though both of you should never be rude. Huwag kayo maging bastos. Like I said, unlike this Danmar Dayaw and Eskel Penumbra make fake account of Rocky Tulog. Danmar Dayaw make a fake account of Rodelio Daguman. And Ate Dina Guillermo make a fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill. And even the mother of David Gill, even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan make a fake account of David Gill. What's all of you want to harass Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Even Sangkay Jan, who created the fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill together with Ate Dina Guillermo. What all of you want to create fake account in Facebook? What all of you want? To create a troll? To create cyberbullying? You, Danmar Dayaw, Eskel Penumbra, creating a troll? Both of you? If you're watching this, mother of Danmar Dayaw and the wife of Eskel Penumbra, Teacher Kel, pagsabihan nyo sa mga ugok na yan, like I said, hindi sila nagdadala. Always to politicalize, always to say about nonsense whatsoever. I've been talking with Denzel Joshua and Jerick Silva. You, Danmar Dayaw. That's why Roylan Marlang and Kevin Suarez, both of you distrusted you. Puro ka ganyan. Inaaway mo pala si Rodelio. What is wrong with Rodelio, Danmar Dayaw, What's wrong to that person that he doesn't do anything at him? Ano bang ginawa ni Rodelio, like I said to you? Danmar, did he even make negatives to Cedric? Or you're making about a troll at Rodelio to ruin at Cedric? Which is our false. Kuya Rodelio Daguman says to me, hindi po ako yan. Like I said, hindi ako ginawa dyan. I have never intention to harass everyone. I have nothing to do anything about Cedric. Wala naman ako ginawa kay Cedric. So, if I were you, Danmar, he has nothing to do. So, if you are there in the past years, Danmar, Oh, what will be happen? Oh, Danmar Dayaw. What will be happen to your parents? Oh, if your mother died. What will be happen to the mother of Eskel Penumbra if she died? Oh, even the father of Eskel Penumbra if he died too. Who will taking care of both of you? Oh, Eskel Penumbra while in US, Teacher Kel will divorce you. Oh, Teacher Kel will get married to Mr. Beast, Jimmy Donaldson. And you, Eskel Penumbra, when you being rude, napakabastos mo. Like I said, and you, Danmar Dayaw, if your parents died, who will taking care of you? Julius Season will never taking care of you. Sinuka ka na ni Julius Season. Sinuko ka na ni Christian Megito. Oh, para sirahin mo pala si Cedric. Sinungaling ka talaga, Danmar. Like, what you are telling a lie. Oh, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, with all due respect, wag mo awayin si Rodelio. Like I said, Kuya Rodelio Daguman, he has nothing against about Cedric. Respect his privacy. Like I said, for me, habang naluluksa si Rodelio Daguman, wala siyang nanay, like what he said to the time, he always being upset. This is your fault, Danmar. In Holy Week, like I said before, Holy Week na nga po, Danmar. You have to accept your consequence. Tanggapin mo ang kasalanan mo, Danmar. As you're a Catholic, both of you, Eskel Penumbra, Danmar Dayaw, both of you are Catholic. Both of you should accept your consequence. Kayo ang mali. Like I said, me, when I accepted my consequence, what I did to Teacher Gio Malana and Teacher Vincent Ramos way back 2024 and 2021, last pandemic and after pandemic, I apologize Teacher Gio Malana. I apologize Teacher Vincent Ramos, while Teacher Gio Malana forgives me also that what I made a lots of mistakes, and he said to me, "Oh, don't do that again. Don't do that again, Andrew." He said it for me. Oh, Teacher Gio Malana says, I respect him too. I reconcile with Teacher Gio Malana. I asked Teacher Gio Malana, do you even buy a PS5 in the US? Oh, he said that, yes, I bought a PS5. Oh, for me, I don't really buy PS5. I have to earn money to get PS5 too, because the PS6 will be released. Oh, I was asked by JD Biniegas. Oh, like you, Danmar Dayaw. When you do whatever you like, you work there in SM Max, or in Pasay, in MOA. In SM MOA, you work there in grocery. And also you work there in baggage. Oh, when you met Michelle D. Michelle D says, Danmar, think what you are judging at. Do not judge everyone. The only you care is your family. Like me, when I never say my retaliation, I know I was very angry at you, Danmar. You should respect Rodelio Daguman. Kuya Rodelio, had lost his mother because of you. You troll him, you bully him, you attack him. Now, what really happened? This is not your idea. What is your consequence? For me, Dan Mardayaw, look at Paulo Siaco. Oh, he study hard. Oh, he doesn't do anything. Oh, like Paulo Siaco, he always spend time like golf also, playing airsoft guns, like Ate Mirasol said to me. Oh, Paulo Siaco just always to do studying. Oh, he always like that. Like you, Danmar, be kind to cerebral palsy. Be kind to Rodelio. Mang Rodelio Daguman is sa cerebral palsy. Huwag mo ganunin si Mang Rodelio. Maawa ka sa kanya. Like I said, my cousins are saying to you, oh, you remember Ate Mirsol said so, si Ako said so, Ate Mirsol, you need to tell Danmar to be good. Oh, don't be such a bad influence. We have to be good. That's what we have to say when there's Holy Week. Oh, thanks sa Ate Mirsol si ako for reprimanding Dan Mardayaw. Oh, at least you reprimand Danmar, you help Roylan Marlang to change Dan Mardayaw to be good. Oh, don't be such a bad influence, Danmar. We have to be good influence. Like I said before, if you watch Batang Quiapo, look at Tanggol. He always to be good. He never creates too much shenanigans. Oh, nagtino na nga si Tanggol. Oh, Tanggol never create fake account in Facebook. All he has to do, he has to focus on to be kind to others, to be humble. In the past, when he make shenanigans, he was beaten by Rigor. That was his stepfather. And he was in prison for cut of illegal drugs. And Tanggol, who find his own job for working in the, what is that? In the bar as a bouncer. Oh, Tanggol. He helped to his the mother of Bubbles to do a business. I mean, to help with her as a good deeds. You have to show your good deeds, Danmar. For me, I'm not going to criticize you. I'm sorry to everyone. When I was mad at Kuya Danmar Dayaw, it's very Holy Week. You should respect Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Don't bully him. Ate Ana said to me, wag mo ganunin ng ibang tao kahit cerebral palsy lang. Like I said, it's really unfair when you bully others. It's not really good, Danmar. You need to be good. Because me, when I change myself, when I educate myself, when I rehabilitate myself, unlike Tanggol, when I became notorious, when I make enemies with Luis Cabales, when I make fake account of Teacher Vincent or Teacher Gia Malana, Luis Cabales, even Ronan Cayabyab, this is my fault. When I changed myself, I already stopped making fake account on Facebook. The best is to become kind to others. Respect. Unlike you, Dan Mardayaw, Eskel Penumbra, and the other Marcos loyalists, Even teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Paulo Cruzada, Jeffrey Asedio, Gina Asedio, Jean Macasandil, Romeo TV Vlog, and especially Barbie Pabelo. All of you show good deeds. Don't be such a rude. And you, Teacher Kel, like I said before, you need to reprimand your sister, Barbie. Be good. I don't want to talk about full of negatives.